Have expressed fears of double or more taxation if the current tax laws and procedure amendment of 2024 sails through the August House as is. And as Moige William reports, according to a section of stakeholders who appeared before the National Assembly's Finance and Planning Committee during a public participation forum held in KICC, Nairobi, submitted that already Kenyans are bearing the brunt of over-taxation. Take a look.
Statistics evaluation.
Monday was the opportunity for stakeholders and residents of Nairobi to submit their views before the Finance and Planning Committee led by Molo Member of Parliament Kimani Kuria.
Economic growth.
The committee is collecting views on the tax laws and procedures amendment bills of 2024. Stakeholders expressing concerns that the current proposals will continue to shrink the already dwindling manufacturing sector in the country.
So there is a cash flow crunch. The manufacturers and many industry players are currently facing. And that is why you see a lot of shrinking revenue. You could have earned much more if the money was circulating in the market, because right now what we find is investments being held.
Let's be a little bit sober with the overreach in increasing tax rates. We've seen that just shooting the tax rates does not actually shoot the tax collections.
Various stakeholders submitted that despite the government expressing optimism in tax collection under the current laws, this has been achieved at the expense of double taxation on the diminishing income that Kenyans are now pocketing.
The country is still experiencing a fiscal drag because whereas tax and other deductions have been growing at a very fast rate, incomes have not necessarily grown at the same speed.
The Gaming Association of Kenya detailing that the tax proposals will see most gaming businesses close shop if the tax proposals go through, citing that the current business environment is tough, this situation exacerbated by the taxes imposed in every financial year.
The way we have been moving excise duty from one percentage to the other, it does not solve our problem, because our problem has not been what the rate is.
There is need to relook at how we are introducing tax proposals every other time.
The committee also heard of the growing concerns that despite the proposals for more taxation, little can be accounted for by the current administration in relation to the revenue collected. Tuesday and Wednesday, the Kimani Kuria-led committee will continue with its sessions to collect more views from Nairobi residents and more stakeholders. Moige William for TV 47, KICC, Nairobi.